Now we can have a quick comparison of the old and the new. As you can see, we have these two are the old to fix protection cover. This new one that's just a little bit different. That should be okay. And for the new one, and here we have a stud screwed in, and for the old one, it's welded on. So now I can put all the cover back to the new one. So just to note, in order to install the cover, you have to bend this tab and this tab. And here, this is the original shape is very well, but I couldn't make that shape. This will have what I have made. Looks okay. So now I can fit the cover on. If you don't bend them, you won't be able to fit the cover, and also the hole won't be aligned. So now it's roughly okay. Now I have put the cover on. Just to use the round file, expand this hole a little bit that way, and it seems alright now. And two bolts holding this one, and the top cover just hold on there and hold on there. Make sure this hole aligned properly, and also that the hole aligned with the catalyst converter. I have also put this side support bracket on onto the